Join me as I dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency to uncover what's really behind it all. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, with its rise in popularity sparking both excitement and skepticism. But have you ever stopped to think about what's really driving this phenomenon? It's essential to understand the underlying factors behind cryptocurrency's success, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Cryptocurrency is often viewed as a mystical, almost magical entity that's susceptible to wild price swings and unexplained movements. Many people think it's just a fad, a get-rich-quick scheme, or even a complete scam. But the truth is, there's so much more to it than that. Regulation is a significant challenge that cryptocurrency faces, with governments and financial institutions struggling to keep up with its rapid growth. The volatility of cryptocurrency is another major concern, with prices fluctuating wildly and seemingly without warning. And yet, despite these challenges, cryptocurrency continues to attract millions of users worldwide. So, what's driving this trend? One of the most significant misconceptions about cryptocurrency is that it's somehow separate from the traditional financial system. But the truth is, cryptocurrency is deeply intertwined with the global economy, and its growth is closely tied to the rise of the digital age. Another common misconception is that cryptocurrency is only used for illegal activities such as money laundering or drug trafficking. But the reality is that the vast majority of cryptocurrency transactions are legitimate, and they're using the same basic principles as traditional currencies. Many people view cryptocurrency as some kind of Wild West, where anything goes and there are no rules. But the truth is, there are very real and very complex underlying systems that make cryptocurrency possible. And at the heart of it all is blockchain technology, which provides a secure, transparent, and decentralized way of recording transactions. Blockchain is a game changer, and it has the potential to disrupt entire industries and create new ones in its wake. Blockchain is often viewed as a mysterious, almost magical technology that somehow makes cryptocurrency possible. But the reality is that blockchain is a very real, very complex, and very powerful tool that has the potential to transform the way we think about finance and society. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that allows multiple parties to record transactions in a secure and transparent way. And it's not just limited to cryptocurrency. Blockchain has the potential to be used in everything from supply chain management to healthcare. The real power of blockchain lies in its ability to create decentralized systems that are resistant to censorship and control. And that's exactly what's driving the growth of cryptocurrency: the desire for financial freedom and autonomy. People are drawn to cryptocurrency because it offers a way to opt out of the traditional financial system and take control of their own finances. And as the world becomes increasingly digitized, the demand for decentralized systems is only going to grow. So what really drives the value of cryptocurrencies? Is it supply and demand, or is it something more complex? The truth is, it's a combination of both. The value of cryptocurrency is driven by a complex interplay of factors, including technological advancements, the community influence, and good old-fashioned supply and demand. And at the heart of it all is the concept of scarcity, the idea that there's only a limited amount of cryptocurrency available, which gives it value. The community plays a huge role in driving the value of cryptocurrency. And it's not just limited to investors and speculators. The entire ecosystem of developers, miners, and users is what gives cryptocurrency its value, and it's what will ultimately determine its success or failure. And then there's the technology itself, the underlying code that makes cryptocurrency possible. As technology continues to advance, we're seeing new and innovative uses for cryptocurrency emerge, from decentralized finance to smart contracts. Ultimately, the value of cryptocurrency is driven by people. It's driven by the desires, needs, and fears of the people who use it. And as the world becomes increasingly complex and uncertain, the demand for decentralized systems is only going to grow. So will cryptocurrency continue to rise in value, or will it eventually crash and burn? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the future of finance is going to be very, very different. That's it for today's video on the complexities and realities of cryptocurrency. I hope you now have a deeper understanding of what's really behind this phenomenon and why it's so important to approach it with a critical and informed perspective. Remember, there's always more to the story than what meets the eye, and it's only by digging deeper that we can truly understand what's going on.